Did you know that herringfish have a secret life? They can leave their home in the ocean to go on land for up to 6 weeks. Can you believe it? But don't worry, they always come back home after their adventures. And they're not alone. Sometimes they even bring friends along. Herringfish are very social creatures who live in big groups called pods. Sometimes there are hundreds or even thousands of herring in one pod. Just imagine all of them swimming together in the ocean. It must be quite a sight to see. But why do these fish leave their ocean home? Well, it's all about finding food. You see, herringfish like to eat plankton and other small sea creatures. And when their favorite snacks are low in the ocean, they know just where to find more on land. But wait, how can fish survive on land? Don't they need water to breathe? Of course they do. But here's the amazing part. When herringfish are out of water, they can actually walk. Yep, you heard me right. Walk. They wiggle their bodies from side to side to move around. And they can do this for hours and hours. Imagine you and your friends going on a long hike in the woods. You might get tired after a few miles, but these little fish can keep on walking and walking without getting tired. It's incredible. And you might be wondering, how do they get from the ocean to the land? Well, herringfish have special fins that help them flop onto land. And once they're there, they can use their strong bodies to slither around. It's like they're little fishy worms. But why do they stay out of the ocean for so long? It's because they're looking for the best food. When they're out of the ocean, they can travel to different places and find lots of yummy things to eat. Then they head back to the ocean with their bellies full of deliciousness. And sometimes they share their secret with their fishy friends. That's right. When herringfish go on their land adventures, they often bring their friends along. It's like a fun field trip for fish. They all swim back to the ocean together, happy and full from their time on land. But herringfish aren't the only ones who like to visit the land. There are other fish like salmon and trout who also like to explore. And they all have their own reasons for doing so. For example, salmonfish swim upstream to lay their eggs. They want to make sure their babies have a good place to grow up. As for trout, well, they just like to look around. They're curious fish and they love to see what's new in their environment. But no matter what fish you talk to, they'll all agree that it's fun to explore the world outside the ocean. Who knows what amazing things you might find? So, the next time you're at the beach, remember that there might be herringfish wiggling their way across the sand just a few feet away from you. They might be looking for food, or maybe they're just out for a stroll. Either way, it's a reminder that the world is full of surprises. And who knows, maybe you'll even get to see some amazing wildlife while you're out exploring. So keep your eyes open and your mind curious. You never know what you might discover next. It's like when those herringfish leave their ocean home and go on an adventure on land. They're brave enough to try something new, and they're curious about what they might find. And because of their bravery and curiosity, they get to enjoy all the amazing things that come with exploring the world. And that, my friend, is a valuable lesson for all of us. We can't be afraid to leave our comfort zones and explore the world around us. Who knows what amazing things we might find if we do? So, next time you see a herringfish swimming in the ocean, remember that they have a secret life. They're not just ordinary fish. They're brave, curious, and always up for an adventure. Maybe they're planning their next trip to the land as we speak. If you liked this video, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more fun and educational videos about the amazing animals that live on our planet. And if you want to learn more about herringfish or other sea creatures, check out the resources in the description below. Thanks for watching.